Welcome back, everybody. 20 minutes to the top of the hour here. And you know this, airports are still under heavy pressure during the spring break rush. With long security lines, many travelers are actively searching for ways to speed up their airport experience and avoid the worst of the delays. And now, before we jump into what's on set today, scan this QR code right here on your screen. It's going to lead you straight to what you're about to see today. Joining me now with the top products to save you time on your next trip to the airport, Ken Maccarone with BestReviews.com. Good morning to you, my friend. Not only spring break, but, you know, the partial government shutdown, the TSA, you know,
it is
nightmare
still kind
continues.
It's kind of still there, right? Especially in some of these larger cities, we're kind of still seeing that. So, I mean, any time that you can shave any time off of you, I mean, to me, it's a game changer,
we'll take
right?
it. Yeah.
And that's one thing, is like
this
skipping that baggage claim, and that's what we're kind of going to do today, is show you ways you can get the most out of your luggage pieces, most out of your bags without having to go to that baggage
Okay, cool. Where should we start?
We're going to start things off with a brand that everybody knows. It's going to be Samsonite luggage. And what we love about this one, this is a carry-on spinner. It does spin 360 degrees around, just like any other spinner. It has multiple pockets. It has added stuff inside. It has a charger on the side. And what we love about it as well is that this can actually fit underneath most seats in front of you on most airlines. So you're not going to be taking over that overhead space for that. You can actually fit it underneath. So think about when you're traveling with children, you want to have everything at your disposal. This will be great. They don't need that extra space under the seat, right? You can pull it out, pull their toys out of it, maybe charge some more things in it. So I love this Samsonite one, and this is coming in right around $100. So I think it's a really good quality.
And I love that it has a charger.
It does. It has a charger in there. You have to remember, you have to take that battery out if you need, if you're traveling.
I was going to ask that.
But once you are there and you're at the airport, remember, these can also help you while you're there, right? So if you're starting to die while you're in the airport waiting, plug in the kid's iPad, let them sit there again, play some more of those games, and then take that battery out before you get on the plane.
They can also ride on top of this.
They can.
Roll them right on through the airport, yeah.
Another thing that we love that's super trending right now, we're going to be packing cubes, because this is going to make sure you get the most out of your luggage inside. You're seeing these also with those kind of shrink wrap cubes as well. But what we love about this is Gossamer Gear, and they have all different ones. They have large ones, small ones. They have this clear one here, a shoe bag.
I love a packing cube.
I love a packing cube. It keeps everything organized. And again, this is what we're saying. It's going to be about making sure you can get things when you need to get those things.
Nice.
And these are going to be anywhere from $5 to $25, depending on what you get here. We have the clear one, we have the dirty, clean laundry one, and we also have the large and small compression cubes as well.
Okay, $5 to $25.
$5 to $25.
Hey, that's good.
That's a great price.
Yeah, it's a great deal.
And then this is my favorite. This is going to be Kashiri. This is our toiletry bag, and we're going to open it up right here for you.
Apparently, there's a surprise.
There's a surprise
that I haven't seen yet.
Something that most toiletry bags I don't think have. So we have the normal one right here. We have the jewelry organizer that's built right in. So you have it for your bracelets. You have it for your earrings.
Ooh, that's great.
Then on this side over here, we're going to zip this up. This is where you're going to have all of your toiletries and all of this and other stuff through here.
You got the good stuff.
I got the good stuff. And then you can also have separate compartments for the wet. But what we really love about this bag is going to be when you're traveling and know when you're about to leave, you're getting your hair done right before you're about to leave, and you have your hot iron or whatever, but now you got to pack it up. What do you do?
I wish I had time for that.
So what you do here is you're going to have this great thing right here. This is going to be for the hot brushes, your curling iron, your straightener. You can put it right in there and pack it right away, so it's not going to melt anything. A lot of people will wrap it in a towel.
And you put the wire over here so it doesn't all get entangled on itself.
It doesn't get entangled on itself, and then also doesn't help on melting that as well. And this is another really great product, and you can fit all of that right in that one bag. Look at all this stuff that we fit already here.
I just take these, stash these
You are
away.
a skin girl, right? And then the last one is going to be from Test Sport, and this is going to be this is a wristlet right for you. So it's going to be great. They come in multiple different colors. They have multiple different pockets. It's super trending. It's great. This is something that's good for all ages, I think. They also have a crossbody bag, and they have a whole luggage set. And what's great is you can match it all together. And then think about maybe if you have 2 kids, you want to give them 2 different colors, keep things organized as you go.
They want their own colors.
They want their own colors.
Yes.
And what's great is it fits everything like passports, your phones, your AirPods, anything like that. And all of this stuff that you see right here can fit right into that original Samsonite luggage that we had. So that one piece of luggage puts all of this, plus the clothes that go inside of it, the compression, the toiletries, all of that can fit right into that one.
How easy is that?
Super easy.
And when you have just a weekend trip, you don't need to check it.
Just take it.
That is perfect. Hey, I like that. Ken, thank you so much. It's always good to see you. And again, if interested in any of these products, be sure to scan the QR code below on your screens. It will take you to newsnationnow.com for more.